So hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. I guess it is Valentine's Day. I figured I would wear red because why not? I guess I'm festive like that. I still have my Valentine's Day stuff up, obviously. I think I'm gonna actually take that down today and redecorate. I'm gonna decorate a little bit for St. Patrick's Day because I am Irish, but I have a lot of stuff for Easter and I wanted to decorate for Easter. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna edit and upload today my Valentine's Day decorations tour for my house. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you subscribe and head back to my channel and check out my house tour for Valentine's Day, and check out my house and see how I decorated for Valentine's Day. And then make sure you come back and check out for Easter. I decorate for every holiday, so I have Christmas from last year and every year, I guess. So this is just a little bit of whatever channel. I'm all over the place. Normally I'm a hot mess. I actually have brownies that I'm going to be doing, a Samoa brownies, Girl Scout type brownie that I'm going to be doing for dessert actually later on tonight for Valentine's Day. My hair is all over the place. So yeah, I'm going to be recording that next. But I've been having these Kit Kats and I hid them for my kids so nobody would open them because I wanted to do a taste test on video. And I figured, why not do it right now, because I've been wanting to do them forever. And I had my candy jars empty and I just wanted to put them in there for a while. So I figured my son's home and why not just try them out. So I'm going to get those out right now. Hold on. And I got a couple other things that I found that I thought might be kind of fun. Oh, I always put a disclaimer here. This is a fake cat, you guys. It's not a real cat on a counter. As you have cats, sometimes they are bad, but that's a fake cat. Okay, I found these at Rite Aid, of all places. I went in there with my mother-in-law, and I found them, and I was just like, oh my god, I have to pick these up, because I have been looking for them everywhere. Oh, hold on. I do have a little bit of candy in here, but I did try these, but I wanted to try them on camera as well. Like 4 different candies here. These little candy jars are cute. I got these at TJ Maxx. These are only $4.99. I like them a lot. Okay, so first are these. And these are the raspberry cream Kit Kats. And I'll show you what they look like. I'm not gonna really, I'll have Ashton try them when he comes out. I'll show you what they look like. They look like this. I just dropped it. They look like this. And I just wasn't a huge fan of those ones. I like white chocolate, but I'm not a huge white chocolate fan. Kit Kats are my absolute favorite. I'll try a little piece of it just because I am doing a review. I mean, they're good. Now, my oldest son, I think he really liked these because he loves white chocolate. I can just taste a lot of the, like, cream, like, not too much raspberry. It's just, like, a lot of white chocolate and, like, cream. It's, like, a lot of artificial cream. I don't know. And I love Kit Kat. Like, I really wanted that to be amazing. But it's just too artificially cream. I don't know. Those are, like, probably the worst Kit Kats, actually, that ever came out to me. Probably wouldn't personally repurchase these ones again. But I just don't like these. But obviously, I think somebody did because this was pretty much up to here. And somebody's been eating them. But it hasn't been me. Okay. Next, I found these, and I'm not gonna lie, I have already ate one of these already, and I'm not a huge chocolate mint kind of person. I like chocolate. I don't know, I'm just not a mint type fan. However, these do taste like a Girl Scout cookie, and I feel like they put these out just because like it's the Girl Scout type season. I don't know why. They taste like a Thin Mint to me. And I'll try them. These are everywhere. You can find these. When they first came out, I had a hard time finding them. But now you can find them anywhere. They're at Sheetz. Like Sheetz to us is like a gas station. I've only been able to find them in the big bars though. Like to where these ones are only in the fun size. Like the raspberry cream ones are only in the small ones. Where these mint ones are only in the big bars. Which is fine with me because I only like the big bars anyway. But these are like super minty. Like as soon as you open them, you can really smell mint. Where these don't really have a smell at all. It's weird. I don't know. But these ones smell really strong as soon as you open them. And I think I like these better just in general because it's dark chocolate or just like regular milk chocolate to begin with, and it's not white chocolate. So I think that helps just the flavor right off the start. And they're not like really minty. They taste exactly like a Girl Scout Thin Mint. So if you like those, you'll like these. And like I said, I've already bought like 2 or 3 of these. My husband knows I love Kit Kats. And he always brings me home one of these. He brought me home this one, and I kept this one for probably a week or week and a half, which is really good for me because I knew I wanted to do this video, which is good. And now these ones, I've already tried those too, so those weren't anything exciting or new for me. So I knew I didn't like these ones, and I knew I really loved these ones. Now, I don't know if I like these ones or not. These are completely new. I never really had, I don't think, a lemon chocolate at all, actually, now that I think about it. I don't even think Kit Kat ever had a lemon Kit Kat at all. Like, I know they had these ones come out last year or something similar to this, but I don't ever remember having a lemon Kit Kat. So, I don't know what to think about this. Oh no, it says cream. I didn't think it was going to be a cream, so it's probably going to be a white chocolate. Not good. The packaging, however, is cute. I like how it has like a lemon and a flower, because I'm a sucker for packaging. And then back, it's cute. It says, "Be crafty and take a break." So I like that. Let's just get in and take a break. I hate these miniature ones, like fun size. These are not fun. Whoever came up with these was not fun. It smells like Pine Sol. It does. It smells like cleaning supplies. I don't know. I don't even know if I can bite this. It's not like super strong lemon. I'm just gonna do it. It's actually pretty good. It's really good, actually. I like it. You want to try one of these?
Sure.
All right, come try one. You gotta get a shirt on. He doesn't even have a shirt on. No, you're not gonna be in a YouTube video. You can't put my coat on. No. These are actually a lot better. You can't even tell they're like a cream. No. Oh my god. He is strange. Alright, he's getting a shirt on. Alright, we're gonna give him a raspberry cream. Do you want the one that I bit from, or you want a new one?
A new one. If you liked it so much, why don't you eat it all?
I didn't like the raspberry cream. Okay, but the lemon one was actually really good. Did you brush your hair at all? Oh my god. Alright. Raspberry cream. You didn't like that one either?
No.
No? So we have two that we didn't even eat. Alright, now the lemon. It smelled like pine salt first. Smell it.
So you like this one?
I liked it. I didn't think I was going to. No?
Both of them suck.
Nuh-uh.
The original.
The original ones are good, but the lemon ones were good. No? I think the lemon ones are good.
No.
No? Well, I like the lemon ones. I think they were good. So you didn't like any of them? I like the lemon ones. Alright, Aspen said he didn't like any of them. Whatever. I got this too to try. This Twix cookies and cream one.
Maybe.
Maybe? Alright, I'm going to try it too. This isn't a Kit Kat, but it said new, and I found it at the checkout when I was cashing out these. I can't believe you didn't like these lemon ones. They're not going to believe me now. I think you should still try these. They're not amazing, but they're...
The original.
The original ones, you can't beat an original Kit Kat.
Yeah, so why get different exotic flavors?
Because this tastes like spring. I feel like this lemon one is going to taste like a spring.
A spring.
A spring candy. Like, I feel like that tastes like... That should be in an Easter basket. It's going in your Easter basket. He's going to get a whole Easter basket of Kit Kats like that.
Love it.
Mm-hmm. Alright, he came back for my Twix because... Here, you're going to get a piece of this because you wasted all the other ones.
So
We'll try it together. Yeah, but I bought them. Alright, this is a Twix cookies and cream. I don't think you can mess these up.
Well, thinking and doing is two different things, and these suck.
They do suck. Wow, this whole thing was like a fail. I don't like these at all. Wow, I didn't think... Those aren't good at all. Look how good the packaging looked. I can't believe those were bad.
Ew.
I have to put it in Kevin's lunch.
Okay.
They weren't good. However, I do have a video coming up. I'm not going to do it now because I'm like chocolate out. But I did get 2 new flavors of Oreos that Aspen's been wanting to open, and I haven't been letting him opening them. Well, the only thing good came out of here is these lemon ones, and these mint ones were obviously really good. So, I don't know. Everything else was a fail. At least we know now. So, anyway. At least Aspen came in the video. You guys haven't seen him for a long time.
Yeah, look the same.
No, you don't. They're not going to tell. They're not going to say you look the same. Come stand by. You're almost taller than me, and I have shoes on, and you don't. Now you're standing taller.
Am I standing taller? I'm standing like I'm standing.
You're standing like you're standing.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Yeah, anyway, that was my review. I guess it's been a fail, but at least we know now. I would never buy these over again. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. I'm going to make brownies though next, so make sure you subscribe and click the notification so you know when I upload my next video. Aspen thumbs down my last video just because he was mad at me. Didn't you?
Maybe.
Yeah, he did. So that was him that thumbs down my last video.
Well, good thing there was 2.
Well, yeah, because the one person always thumbs down my video. But the second one was you.
Okay.
Alright guys, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.